Today, I'm diving into the wild world of crypto casinos to see what really happens when Bitcoin crashes. Let's find out if they can survive this rollercoaster ride. Crypto casinos have taken the online gambling world by storm, offering players a chance to bet using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These platforms operate on blockchain technology, providing a level of transparency and security that's hard to match with traditional casinos. But their reliance on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies makes them vulnerable to market fluctuations. The current state of Bitcoin is a bit of a roller coaster. Its value can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. A significant drop in Bitcoin's value could threaten the operations of crypto casinos. For instance, if a casino accepts Bitcoin as a deposit method, a sudden crash could leave them with a pile of devalued coins. This could lead to a situation where the casino's liquidity dries up, making it tough for them to process withdrawals or even stay in business. The volatility of Bitcoin affects not just the casinos but also the players. Imagine depositing a bunch of Bitcoin into your favorite casino, only to see its value drop by 20% the next day. Suddenly, your winnings aren't as exciting as they seemed. This unpredictability makes it challenging for players to strategize and for casinos to maintain a stable environment. Furthermore, casinos might need to adjust their house edges or game offerings to stay profitable, which could alienate some players. The relationship between Bitcoin's price and crypto casino operations runs deep. Some casinos might use Bitcoin's blockchain to ensure fairness and transparency in their games. However, if Bitcoin's price crashes, it could become more expensive to perform transactions on its network, eating into the casino's profit margins. This could force some casinos to rethink their business models or even shut down. If Bitcoin crashes, the consequences will ripple through the entire crypto gambling ecosystem. Players might lose trust in crypto casinos, fearing that their winnings won't be paid out or that the casino will fold under the pressure. Operators could face financial strain, struggling to maintain liquidity and continue operations. This could lead to a mass exodus of players to traditional casinos or other forms of gambling. On top of that, regulatory bodies might take a closer look at crypto casinos, potentially imposing stricter rules or even bans. One of the most surprising effects of a Bitcoin crash on crypto casinos could be a surge in regulatory scrutiny. Governments and regulatory bodies might view a crash as a reason to step in and impose stricter controls on crypto casinos, possibly to protect players from financial harm. This could lead to a more traditional banking system integration, essentially phasing out the decentralized nature of crypto casinos. The mass exodus of players is another potential consequence. If players lose faith in the stability of crypto casinos due to Bitcoin's volatility, they might seek out more stable environments for their gambling activities. This could force crypto casinos to rethink their strategies, possibly shifting towards accepting traditional currencies or finding new ways to attract and retain players. Recap: the risks and challenges are real. Crypto casinos ride a fine line between innovation and instability, all thanks to their reliance on Bitcoin. A crash could mean financial turmoil, a loss of player trust, and a scramble for survival. What do you think? Will crypto casinos survive the next big Bitcoin crash, or will they fold under the pressure? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about the future of crypto gambling, check out my next video where I explore the trends that will shape the industry in the coming years.